Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, and this is another grocery haul. We got onions, and jasmine rice, and donuts for the big kids' breakfast. It was a sale. I think it was 2 for $3 or something like that. Dang, I can't remember. Grapes. Bananas. Pasta for dinner. Scallop potatoes. Butterfingers. Wow. Yellow rice for dinner. And now I got muffins to go with my breakfast. And more donuts for the big kids' breakfast. Well, the weekday breakfast, I should say. Apple juice. They haven't been drinking much juice, so I haven't been picking up much lately. But yeah, and the ragu bacon sauce they're obsessed with now. And pesto sauce. Nicholas Elias still won't let go of his Pediasure mixed with baby cereal. And I've got seasoning, of course. Hot cocoa, even though it's summer. Can't go without hot cocoa. There was another sale on the Pringles, 3 for $6. And some cookies, some dessert for the big kids because Nicholas doesn't like chocolate. There was a sale on gummy bears and Cheetos Puffs. I mean, if there's a sale, I'll get it, but most likely, yeah, I don't usually pick up too much unless there's sales, or stick to my staples. And breakfast for Nicholas, French toast sticks, and mini pancakes. He's still very picky, so limited in what I could give him. They actually all were picky. And Go-Gurt for the big kids. Well, I'm still kind of picky, so I don't really hold it against them. And ices. And protein granola for my breakfast. And yogurt for Nicholas. And blackberries. All summer these blackberries were everything. They were so sweet and so delicious and perfectly ripe, but then the last couple weeks, sour, mushy. I don't know what I'm gonna pick to replace it, but I don't know if I could get any more blackberries anytime soon. Spinach. I'm going to use that spinach for dinner, not my lunch like usual. And broccoli and cauliflower for dinner. Green beans for dinner. Sweet peas for dinner, which I most likely will mix into the yellow rice or the pesto. Chicken nuggets for frozen meal, one frozen dinner to go with these smileys. Usually I give them the frozen dinner and I have whatever leftovers are in there. Tater tots for the weekend breakfast. Tilapia. Yeah, I know all about tilapia. I still like it. Beef. Chicken tenders. I got 2 because there was a manager's special and the prices were only $5. So yeah, might as well get 2 and put it in the freezer. And bacon for the weekend breakfast. chicken wings, cheese for the boy snack because Jay does not like cheddar cheese, and almond milk yogurt for my breakfast. Silk almond creamer for my coffee, silk milk for my coffee or my cocoa, Horizon for the big kids, 2 Horizons for the big kids, the Omega one, and the growing years Horizon for Nicholas. Shout out to Lucas James for setting up that breakfast for the grocery haul for me. And now I'm going to show a few clips of the dinners I made this week. Starting off with this one with caramelized onions and pork tenderloin and string beans and dumplings. Yeah, it's not I don't know, aesthetically pleasing meal, but yeah, the kids still tore it up, and if they like it, that's all that matters. I didn't show myself making this because I was too tired, but this is chicken tenders, peas, pesto, and ziti. And again, I didn't show myself cooking this. This was the beef strips, scalloped potatoes, broccoli, and cauliflower, and rice for Nicholas. And here I am making the tilapia. I did get these clips. I fried the tilapia, and what did I make with the tilapia? Oh my god. Old age, I don't remember. I'm just gonna have to watch a clip with you. Okay, yeah, I made pasta with the tilapia, and I think I made green beans, but I'm not sure. Let's just keep watching. On the weekdays that's when I usually cook dinner. So on the weekends, because I'm not cooking dinner, that's when I bake. And I decided I wanted to bake bread this weekend. And once I told the kids, they all got excited and they wanted to make their own. So this weekend I taught my kids how to make bread. And I know some people already let their kids in the kitchen and stuff like that, but when I used to have to take them to school, time was limited. So we never got to do too much of this. Always on a schedule and being considerate of others in the household. So but this weekend I taught them how to make bread. They all did really well, except for poor JD. She got sick midway and she had to stop, but she still made her bread and her brothers helped her finish it, which was really sweet. And they all did a really good job, and I'm proud of them for always wanting to try. Because they are Roblox kids. No offense to anybody who plays Roblox or anybody whose kids who play Roblox. I'm just saying, we all know once kids play games, that's all they hyper focus on. But yeah, they did a good job and that's their bread. Yeah, just doing some laundry here, regular momming things, but we started our homeschooling again August last week. I don't remember what day, whatever Monday was, but yeah, we started mid-August, and I've started them off with just a week of reading, to get back into the flow of things, because from the last week of May, I think it was, until August. They've done nothing but play Roblox. They didn't even want to go outside, honestly. I mean, I don't blame them. I'm not a fan of the heat either. None of us are a fan of the heat. I cannot take it, but I mean, it's not good for them to be inside all the time, but I also don't like forcing my kids to do things, because I don't want them to have like a bitter taste when it comes to things, or feel like they have no what's the word I'm looking for, autonomy, no rights, no decisions in what they do. They do, and I know also at the same time I have to have authority and make sure they do the things that would keep them healthy, but I don't blame them for not want to go out during the summer. We'll try and do more like walks in the fall, but yeah, summer's not for us. But yeah, we started the first week back with homeschooling, just reading. Everybody's been reading. First they read mangas. I love to say mangas because it drives them crazy, but they started with mangas, and now they're reading some novels, and Nicholas Elias is doing basic phonics and his letter shapes and numbers, and now the second week we're doing reading and catch up on or review on math. And then next week we're going to go back into IXL fully. I haven't decided what projects I'm going to give them. I'm like, I don't want to like plan too much. I want to go with what makes them comfortable and willing to learn, but at the same time trying to stick to what they need to learn. Yeah, that's a hard line to balance, because as I said before, I don't want to overwhelm or cause them any burnout. But yeah, new school year is starting for us, and I think this school year I'm going to do like, I'm going to be a week off in November, and then 2 weeks off December and January, then 2 weeks off in April, and we might end in May. But yeah, now it's back to a regular momming schedule, homeschooling schedule, working from home mom. And right now this working from home thing is giving me a headache. These contracts are giving me a headache. But yeah, anyway, yeah. And this weekly vlog is turned into 2, and I'm about to show you a second grocery haul. Yeah, and this grocery haul, not that much, basic stuff as usual.
That's the point of me asking
the tortillas for lunch, and pistachio muffins. I'm loving these for my breakfast to go with my granola and yogurt. Welch's fruit snacks for Nicholas.
You can't even get the
Fudge cookies for the older kids. These jumbo shells I'm gonna do either with the chicken and one of the Prego sauce I got, or the beef. I haven't decided. And more pasta, and even more pasta.
See, look, I can't even use this again. Why are you being so crazy?
And the plantain chips for Jade's snack, which was barely anything in it, and the Pringles for the boys. Potatoes for dinner. Sweet potatoes that I'm going to make sweet potato fries.
Big box of waffles. Big box of waffles. Prego. Got some Prego. Prego tomato sauce. The Prego. Okay, why is it so fuzzy? What?
Trying to say something about
Trying what?
Trying to say something from animation in Japanese.
I know, but what is he trying to say? I got that.
And yogurt for Nicholas. Pierogies to go with the chicken nuggets.
Sir.
Aloe juice for me.
Y'all left the beat up foil behind this thing?
Go-gurt for the big kids. Mini pancakes for Nicholas's breakfast. French toast sticks for Nicholas. Tater tots for the weekend breakfast. Halos for the kids for their breakfast. Whole green beans, string beans for dinner. Peas for dinner. Petite peas. Carrots, which I make with sweet potato fries. Blueberries. I was trying to replace the blackberries, but geez, these blueberries were terrible. They were bad before I even got a chance. I don't know what to do with what I have left. I just can't eat mushy fruit. It just, ugh.
Sorry, what are you doing? No, Kasha.
And yeah, that was my alarm.
Nicholas, can I help you?
Some almond creamer.
With what?
And cheese for the boys for a snack. Chicken nuggets for
Chicken nuggets.
a dinner.
Nuggets.
Oh, seafood. I gotta help you with this.
Silk almond milk for me. Regular milk for the kids.
I'll do it.
Come on, back up.
Pineapples for the weekend breakfast.
I don't like pineapple.
Yogurt for my breakfast.
What? Did you say you don't like wet pineapple?
Salmon. I made honey Cajun spiced salmon bites.
All right, how did everybody just
Pork
stop
tenderloins. Got it because it was a manager special. I'm gonna freeze that.
No.
Bacon for the weekend breakfast.
You'll not.
Beef for dinner. Got 3 packs instead of the usual 2 because everybody's been extras. Chicken breast, which I cut up and then split into 2 for 2 different dinners, and then that water for Nicholas. Then there was these chubbies. Oh, I love chubbies when I was a kid. There was a sale for them. Not much of a sale. 3 for $2, but they used to be twice the size for 25 cents if I remember correctly. But yeah, the kids went crazy when they saw it. And here I am making the salmon bites. They went crazy for these salmon bites. They went crazy. Especially the older 2. And all of them tore up the sweet potato fries. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's basically the same thing as when I cut them up into rounds and lay them in the dish. Because I use when I lay them in a dish and I bake them, I use nutmeg and cinnamon. But I really don't see the difference. But they like the fries better from the air fryer. And I still got them to eat sweet potato fries. So I guess it's a win-win. A win is a win. But yeah, I'm definitely making these again. The Cajun seasoning with the honey was delicious.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad dad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your
a whole plate of orange, carrots, sweet potato fries, and the salmon bites. And my singing is beautiful, I know. Thank you very much. And until the next meal.